Can Expert Text Global UI OS layer replace the Windows 11 desktop and even replace the Windows 11 Start button? Let's find out right now. First, let's look at how Windows 11 handles storage using its File Explorer that is at the bottom of the screen and pinned to the taskbar. A single click launches it, and a single click opens folders, and double-clicking opens files and apps. While right-clicking provides numerous options to copy, paste, rename, pin to start, ask Copilot, and other options. But how do you organize and retrieve your files? Well, you can drag and drop frequently open folders and files to the desktop where they can be sorted by date and by name. But there are limitations in terms of the number of desktop items you could realistically browse. File Explorer can be sorted in the same way, and the predictive search box on the taskbar can search the desktop, File Explorer, and Start. But you have to have a good idea about what you are searching for when using predictive searching. The desktop could also store web addresses and apps. Now let's look at Expert Text Global UI OS layer. It uses a drop-down list box to browse as many as 10,000 listings that can be apps, folders, files, web addresses, or simply text. These are all stored in a knowledge base. And a knowledge base can open another knowledge base, giving even more possibilities. There is also a predictive search box that is able to identify exactly what you are searching for. Clearly, Expert Text Global UI OS layer is able to handle vastly more apps, files, and folders. With so many people today requiring large numbers of apps, files, and folders, Expert Text Global UI OS layer is their only option. Basically, Expert Text Global UI OS layer could replace the Windows 11 desktop and Start, and a growing number of people are deciding to do it. But don't forget, Expert Text Global UI OS layer runs alongside Windows 11 and not without it. That completes part 1 of this 2-part series, Windows 11 versus Expert Text Global UI OS layer. And in coming weeks, we will compare Expert Text Global UI OS layer with macOS Sequoia, as well as with Chrome OS and Android. So keep watching and see part 2 when we look at how they deal with apps and web addresses. Finally, thanks for watching and like and subscribe.